To figure out what you want in a relationship, spend some time thinking about your needs and values. Make a list of things that you might consider deal breakers, such as abusive behavior or infidelity. Consider your personal goals and how a relationship would affect them too. For instance, do you want to have kids? Are you interested in settling down? Or are you a free spirit who loves to travel? Look for a partner whose goals, values, and interests are compatible with yours. It can also be helpful to look at your own past relationships or the relationships of people you know. Make a list of things that worked or didn't work in those relationships. Once you have an idea of what you want, put yourself out there and try dating casually. Being in a relationship, even if it's a casual one, might help you get a better idea of what you really want.